Last 9 months ago, bumili ako yung first salary ni Twinkle.
Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.
Parang tatlong computer. Meron tayong USB. Parang ano siya. Dalawang type. Paiba-iba na naman ang saksakanan. Kaya dapat hindi walain kasi paiba-iba ng saksakanan, paiba-iba ng ano, mahirap i-charge. So yung saksakanan niya, ewan ko. Hindi dito type C. May maliit pa, may malaki. Pwede itong putulin, hindi naman pwede putulin. Then, ito na, yung color, blue na. May maliit pala siya. Ano ko, bulky. Portable storage 1 tera. Ganda lang green. Actually green siya, hindi siya blue. Green siya. Actually green siya, hindi siya blue. Tapit natin, no? Green siya. Toshiba. Okay, so yun lang guys. Next is dahil bago na yung iPhone na ano kasi may iPhone, bago na yung iPhone, bumili kami ng USB power adapter bago na yung iPhone na sa kanan. Hindi kagaya noon na diretso kagad na ano ba yun, yung lightweight na charger na wire. So since bago na yung style ng ano ng iPhone, so kailangan hindi na ako nag-unlock ng iPhone ko guys, hindi talaga ako mahilig mag-unbox. Ito na lang, pumili kami at nag-sale ito doon sa Jarir. Ano ito, 100 plus yata. Tapos nung nakita ko doon sa labas, 100 plus ito eh, nakita ko doon sa Sako 69 lang at sa Carrefour. So ito yan, sa kanan may 3 pin. Okay, ang bigat, 3 pin fast charging. Dito na isasaksak kasi iba na ngayon, saksak mo yung maliit na wire. Pero anyway, bumili din ako ng wire sa ano. Okay. ito yung wire. So, doon na tayo sa regular na yung content. Ano yung nasa loob? Naganap-hanap pa kami ng hanggang naloko kami. Naganap-hanap pa kami ng glass. Ayun pala, pag hanap na-open na kasi pinalagyan namin ng screen protector. Naghanap-hanap kami ng glass. Included na pala sa loob. Nandun na kami, naloko pa kami. Naghanap-hanap kami ng screen protector na. So, ang pinalit namin guys is Redmi 10 2022. Itong Redmi 10 under Xiaomi siya. So, doon lang talaga yung papalit sa Xiaomi. Ito ay 4G. Mas maganda yung 5G. 4G RAM, 128 giga ROM Pebble White. Tapos, 600. Ano ba presyo na ito? 600 plus. Hinahanap ko yung resibo nito. Baka hanapin sa akin. Yung resibo pa. Natapon kasi wala. Hanapin natin yung resibo mamaya. So, 600 plus. Ito yung pinalagyan na namin guys. So, before anything, ang nasa loob is meron ng casing. Black case, back cover. Meron na ring screen sa loob. Naghanap pa kami. Yun. Connectin ko na guys, lunin ko sa email ko kasi kung hindi ko connect, pindot lang din ko anong gusto niya. Hanapin ko nga yung ito, receive ko pa dito. Hindi na siya. Yes, I'm in. Assistant ko pala. Dapat na mag-assistant.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long. It hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
Like nothing I felt, my mind overwhelms. I think that I'm broken, but I hope you can't help. I know I'm not perfect, but some days I feel far more worthless. Baby, you make me feel nervous. If I still have you, I have purpose. It's all worth it.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. I guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray